subtraction, and I'll explain it out here also. So whenever you have one positive and one negative number, you take the difference. So this is the concept. This is how I go about teaching the subtraction part. Yeah. So suppose we are looking at question number 16. Yeah. So we look at not 16, 16 is both positive. So let's look at question 18. Yeah. And then we look at question 19. Okay. So in question 18, there's one negative, one positive. So we take the difference. Difference of the absolute values. Of the absolute values. Absolute values. In other words, the magnitude of the numbers without the variable. So out here in 18, question 18, we only look at the numbers 49 and 54 disregarding the p. Okay, right? And when we talk about the magnitude of the number, or when we talk about the absolute value of the number, we disregard the positive and negative sign as well attached with that number. So we look at question 18 as 49 on its own and 54 on its own. Correct? And then what is the difference between 49 and 54? It's 5. So we got the 5 and then we add the p. Okay, because that's how it is, 49p, 54p. You know what I mean? But now comes the question whether the 5p is positive or negative for question 18. Focus on 18. So the concept is that um, the absolute value which is bigger, we take the sign attached with that bigger number. So 54p is a bigger absolute value between these two numbers, and the sign attached to it is positive. Therefore, the outcome will have a positive sign to it. Correct? Yeah. And we don't write positive because it's understood. It's by default. That's the way we learn math. That we don't write positive 5p. It's understood. It's positive. Got it? Similarly, when we look at question number 19, again, we take the difference of the two absolute values 49 and 54. It's 5. Okay, 5, and then we add the p, 5p. Okay, now between the two absolute values 49, 54, 54 is the bigger number, and hence the sign of the bigger number, which is negative, will also be the sign of the outcome out here, and hence we got a negative.